Hello students, I came in front of you with new video. Name of the video is turbocharger. What is a charger? There are two types of the chargers: supercharger, super pressure charger, and turbocharger. Both are used in engines. Supercharger is operated by the crankshaft drive and turbocharger is operated by the exhaust force of the engine. Just you see what is the turbocharger. First of all, we should know what is the use of the turbocharger. Turbocharger, this one is the turbocharger. Advantage of the turbocharger is considerable increases the engine power output, improved exhaust gas emissions, improved fuel consumption, and moderate production cost. So these are 3 to 4 reasons for the turbochargers. Let us see. First of all, we should know the parts of the turbocharger. Just you see turbochargers, this unit is called turbocharger. This is the engine. This one is intercooler. This one is wastegate of the turbocharger. Name of the parts. This is a turbocharger. One shaft is fitted in center of the turbocharger. This is a housing. This is also housing. In this housing, here turbine wheel is fitted. One end of the shaft is turbine wheel is fitted. Other end of the shaft is a compressor wheel. Turbine wheel is a use. What is the use of the turbine wheel? Turbine wheel gets the power, exhaust force, and it rotates as fastly. Whatever exhaust gases are coming here and giving to the force for rotating the turbine, that's why it is called turbine wheel. It rotates, that's why it is called a turbine wheel, and goes all gases, burn gases goes out into the atmosphere. So turbine wheel is fitted on the shaft, that's why shaft also fitted. Shaft also rotates, and other end of the shaft is compressor wheel is fitted there. What is some compressor wheel also rotates. This shaft rotates freely because bearings are fitted there, and for the bearings oil is coming from the oil pump for the bearings lubrication. Now after getting after lubrication, this oil, remaining oil goes or it comes down into the oil chamber. Just you see here, compressor wheel when rotates, at that time whatever air comes from the air cleaner comes from the air cleaner it cleans the air into the air cleaner and enters into the compressor wheel sucks and pressures. By the pressure, this air enters into the intercooler. Intercooler is a given here for cooling the air, and after cooling the air, that means when during the turbocharger becomes hot cause of the exhaust gases. Okay, so cause of the exhaust gases, turbocharger becomes hot, and that's why density of the air also becomes less, and for increasing the density of the air, intercooler is provided. And when density of the air increases and increase the density after increasing the density of the air, and that air enters into the cylinder, because of maximum air should be provided to the engine cylinder, and that's why. So heated, suppose intercooler is not here, then heated air will pass into the engine, and that will be not sufficient for getting the good power or engine power output. Okay, and that's why this system is done here. So wastegate is given there. Wastegate, why? Wastegate is used. It is used to control the boost pressure of the intake manifold. Due to the turbocharger increases the power output and torque and fuel economy of engine. That's why wastegate is provided there for controlling the boost pressure of the intake manifold. Okay, suppose if you are not understood properly, then you can comment. Okay, then you like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.